Hello everyone, my name is Chen Bingjie. My topic is the development and the innovation of 5G. The first part is development background of 5G. What is 5G? 5G is the fifth generation communication network with the continuous development of network and communication technology. Mobile communication has experienced four technological advances. Among them, the improvement from 2G to 4G is the most significant. Not only the network delay is greatly reduced, but also the transmission rate and the traffic increased rapidly. It drives universality between networks and devices. At the same time, it needs to solve the communication problems between people, objects, and virtual reality. 5G also needs to meet the needs of more internet technology applications, such as biomedicine, vehicle engineering, artificial intelligence, mobile medicine, and so on. 5G was born to serve all fields of the whole society. Let's talk about 5G's powerful performance. 5G design focuses on the following three applications: enhanced mobile broadband, large-scale machine communication, and the ultra-reliable low-latency communications. The follow density of 5G is very high, reaching about 10 bps per square meter, while its air interface delay is very low, close to 1 millisecond. At the same time, 5G has ultra-high mobility performance and will support high-speed mobility of 500 kilometers per hour. These performances are to meet the needs of auto driving, remote, environmental monitoring, medical, and other related applications. The next step is 5G SWOT analysis. First of all, the advantage of 5G is reflected in its powerful performance. The transmission rate is nearly 10 times faster than 4G, and the delay is less than 1 millisecond. This means that users can have a better network experience under 5G network. For example, video calls and online shopping are faster than in 4G environments. Apparently, many enterprises have begun to develop 5G terminals, which can be connected to cloud computing. In the future, 5G globalization, the rapid information exchange between people and things can be realized. 5G deny is though enough to realize unmanned driving of cars and UAVs. So high-speed transmission speed can also realize telemedicine surgery. Such advantages create future development opportunities and use their own advantages combined with other industries to create more new applications and industry. They create more jobs and employment opportunities. While 5G itself is full of topics, it has also received continuous attention from the outside and the media. The development of 5G is related to the competition of countries. Therefore, the overall development speed of 5G will not be reduced. The defect of 5G is also very obvious. The construction cost of important facilities such as base stations is too high, but the coverage is relatively low. As a result, 5G can only be deployed in densely populated cities. From the perspective of security, the first external threat of 5G is the attack of hackers and criminals. As 5G expands the network capacity of connection mode, it is likely to be used by cyber criminals for data theft and or fraud. This may not only affect the enterprise database and the operating institution, but also lead to the threat of information disclosure of users' mobile phones and other electronic devices. Now, maybe many friends want to ask me, even though 5G has been deployed in many places, why 5G has not brought too many changes to life as parents. What I want to say about this problem is, compared with many other emerging technologies, 5G is indeed in the early stage of development. Even though 5G mobile phones can be used in many regions, 5G its role is to connect all things and to realize the interconnection of man, machine, and things. As parents, the advantage of 5G is only reflected in speed, because the development of 5G industry chain is not mature enough, and many corresponding hardware and equipment have not been systematically developed. A stable industry ecology has not yet been formed.